Felt like I got a little something on there. There's something there. Oh, what is it? Sounds hollow. Maybe a piece of pipe or something. That's it. What we got here? Looks like a leg from a stove. I wonder if that's what I'm pulling on. It's a cast iron stove. That would be very hard to get out. Okay, on it again. One of these times I'll get it up. Oh, so heavy. It's a stuck fishing line too. Fighting. Moving. So big. It's almost not even the seawall. Oh my god, I can see part of it. Oh, I'm gonna fall in. What is it? It's a giant pipe. Giant piece of pipe. A billion fishing lures at it. Oh, I might get stuck down there. Yeah, I don't know what it's for. Watch out for the hooks though.
Got it, I'm carrying it back.
Alright. Oh. Flange on this one?
Who threw that in there?
My guess would be the city at some point in time. You want all these sinkers and lures? There's a bunch of them on there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all those nails. A lot of nails. Alright, I feel like I picked something up right there. Could just be full of muck again. That's the forward portion of a slide from a gun. Let's see. Now I cut the rear portion of a Glock out of here once. I wonder if that's the front portion. Fishing hook. That looks like it. Okay. I don't think I have anything on there other than just gunk. Oh, I got a small jar. Another one. Yuck. I don't even know how many that is. Okay, we got a shotgun shell, a catfish bell, and a piece of metal. Alright, I'm back on it. I'm just going really slow. I think there's something coming up. Sorry. Oh, it stopped for a second. Feels like there's a bunch of fishing line down there too. Just don't want it to fall off. Come on. Come up here. Where are you? Okay, fishing line just broke. There's a bag. It's an umbrella. Oh. We got an umbrella. Hey Yvonne, I got you an umbrella if you want it. And more bondage stuff. Catfish bell. Scissors. And a bunch of gunk. Alright, feels like I've been dragging something for a while. I don't know. See any shadows? What is that? Some kind of an insulator. I think that's gotta be like an electrical insulator or something. If anybody knows what that is, leave a comment, let me know. Okay, looks like we got something on there. Oh, it fell off. Could have been a rock too. Oh. Okay, looks like there's some stuff down there. I can throw back out right in that same spot. Definitely some stuff down there. A little crescent wrench. It is. It's the world's smallest adjustable wrench. Check that out. It's kind of cool. Feels like there's something down there. Could just be rocks. Well, rocks don't drag that far out. Something fell off. But it feels like there's still something on there. Oh yeah, there's definitely something on there. Little barrel. Oh. Spark plug. Oh, little railroad spike. We'll hit that spot again. Alright. I've been dragging something for a while. Probably some pipe or something. We get a lot of that out of this area. Ooh, stay away from the wall, please. Oh, a piece of barrel. That's sad. I've gotten away from the barrel. Okay. Got something big down there. Oh, every time. I think that was a rock. Second time. Okay, looks like there's fishing line or something on there. There we go. Lots of fishing line. Rope. Oh no! Come on, rope. Come on, rope. I want to see what's on the end of you. Come on, nice and slow. Nice and slow, rope. Gotcha. Alright. Alright. Whatever was on the end of it. Now off. We can have a magnet? We got a magnet. No, we don't. What is that? Oh, we do have a magnet. Isn't that cute? Tool shop. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. We'll keep that. Not a whole lot there. Oh, it's one of those coat hooks. Alright, we're moving something. Slowly. Ever so slowly. A lot of things falling off today. There's a lot of rocks in this area. I can feel a fishing line on whatever it is too. Alright. Higher vantage point. See some bubbles out further. Feels like it's out of the mud. Yay, it's coming. What did we get? Oh my, what is that? Oh my, what is that? Oh, please don't fall off. Oh, there's part of a champagne glass on it too. Oh! Is that an antique cash register? Oh. Part of a wine glass? What is this? Oh. Oh, look at that sinker. That's a huge sinker. What is this? What the heck is that? Hey, check this look. I almost stepped on it. There we go. We're going back in the water. What the heck is that? Some more sinkers. More sinkers. Another sinker. Ah, hook. The rest of this fishing line in. I don't know what the heck that is, but I haven't got a clue. Man, I wish I knew what that was. If anybody has any idea what this is, please, please, please tell me.
Thanks for watching Motor City Magnet Fishers. Subscribe by hitting the circle and click the episodes on the top to watch more of our videos.